Flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on.
Yes sir, we are here. Another Tuesday, another blah day as some may call it. But like I always say, like any other day, you gotta get up and do something. I wanna take this time to give a quick insight to who I am. I was born in Trinidad but raised in Brooklyn, New York. I spent 13 years as a programmer, project manager, and I became very successful. I had 2 businesses, made 6 figures, and took vacations every 6 weeks, flying around the world. Life was great, but I wasn't fulfilled in life. I felt like I needed to serve a bigger purpose. So I asked God, what is my purpose? And he answered. So following in his word, I am here to inspire, educate, and motivate you. You who can hear the sound of my voice. He created me for right here, right now, so I can say to you, the unfaithful, doubting, lazy, non-believing, undecided, uncommitted, undisciplined, non-loving you. Stop quitting. You who wants more, who craves more, who asks for more out of life. You want a better marriage, you want more income, you want a better situation, you want the cars, the girls, and a fancy life. You who want to succeed, but aren't willing to put everything into what you're doing. You, stop quitting. Think about it. How can you get to the next level if you don't work for it? If you don't put in the time necessary, if you don't invest or commit, if every day you don't do what it takes to get what you want. Instead of understanding that simple concept and applying diligence to your life, you sit there and complaining about everything that's going on wrong with you and in the world. Nah, the sun isn't aligned in the sky the right way, you don't get it. Nah, I didn't wear my lucky socks today, so I don't got luck on my side, you don't get it. Nah, see, my friends left me and I'm nothing without them. God, I don't believe in God. No, I'm broke. Man, I don't get paid till next year. You don't get it. They said I'm not good at acting. And that gym thing I tried last week, I didn't lose any weight. I'm not going back. You don't get it. No, I get it. You're complaining about everything. But do you know that there are people in this world that are less fortunate than you, that are fighting way harder than you are and attaining success? And here you are 1 month in, saying I can't. 2 days in, I can't. Somebody doesn't believe in you or tells you no, and you say I can't. I'll never forget this. I was in Texas last year leaving this high school, and something told me to stop and talk to this teacher in the hallway. He mentions to me in 2005 he had 2 strokes. And then the doctors found out that he had over 50 aneurysms in his brain. They told he and his family that he was not going to be able to live and took him off of life support. He said that on his deathbed he would wake up and it would look like a mortuary, dead bodies laying around waiting for him to join them. But he told himself that this isn't the end for me, that I've got more fight left in me. And there he was 11 years later, walking, breathing, a living man who experts took off of life support. So I say to you, you who at this very moment is thinking about quitting, don't quit. Don't quit. Don't quit, because you can and will succeed. You can and will defeat that disease. You can and will get everything you want out of life. But you have got to believe that you are the one. And you have got to work. And when I mean work, I mean work. Work. And you have got to get started today.